Hey, right here from Right Gives and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my first master grade, the master grade fighting action God Gundam. And this is my unboxing of it, if I said that already. So yeah, this is the box. So let's see the box. This is my first master grade. Sorry for the background noise. $2,500 yen. Also, this is my first Bandai unboxing and review of the channel. So yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. Why am I whispering? Because I'm not in my house right now. I'm in the hospital. So yeah, let's get it. So yeah, there's the box art. There's Tomon Cash, who or Cash, I don't know. So this is my first master grade Gundam. So yeah, I have high expectations of very, very many parts in here. So yeah, let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Oh. So we have some cardboard inserts. Is that what you call it? So we have that. We have that going on. This is the painted kit. When you all know how to paint the kit, when you're finished painting the kit. Seiji Gundam New Japan Fighter and Master Grade. So yeah, 1 second guys, I want to apologize because my microphone isn't. If I have, if this microphone is a bit of a whispering action because my grandmother is sleeping. So yeah, 1 second guys. And I am back. Not really, wait. Okay, I'm really back. I'm really back right now. So let's get this out of the box. Oh my gosh, it's filled to the brim with runners. Like, there's a bunch of runners up in this sake. So yeah. So let's take a look at the runners. Here's bag number 1. Bag number 1. God finger. It says right there. Master Grade 1 to 100 G Gundam. Gundam. So next bag. So in this master grade we have screws. So that means tight joints. And in this runner is letter F. Both letter F. Wings, waist, skirts, and much more. I will open them later. We have Domon Kashu figure and some nuts and bolts. So we have bag number 4. Yeah. So we have some, I think, ABS plastic and a polycap runner. Let's see if it is really ABS. No, this is polystyrene. And this is PE plastic. Bag number 5. So we have the red parts and blue parts and the big beam sabers. And the last bag, I think we have ABS right here. Cool, we have a gem. A gem of the King of Hearts in the chest. And rubber feet. We have a runner plates right here. And ABS plastics. Also, I put them into the ground, so I don't have much space right here. And let's take a quick look at the manual. Just throw this away. So here we have the manual. Here's the page number 1. It has the King of Hearts logo on it. And the name Mobile Fighter GF13 017 NJ2 G Gundam Neo Japan Mobile Fighter. And we have an amazing silhouette of it. Master Grade Fighting Action 2001, made in Japan and Bandai. So let's take a quick look at the first page. So we have some information of the Gundam right here. I will not talk very much right now, so yeah. See you guys later. So that's the manual. So I will see you guys into the part 2 of the video, because yeah, I have some comments. I have commented why I have to, like, below 15 minutes of videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.